Hey everyone, I am so excited to share with you some new pieces and classic pieces, all from Walmart, and today's video is sponsored by Walmart. I'm partnering with them to create this video. Everything that you're about to see has been picked out and chosen by me, and most of this is brand new. Yes, I know I just shared a Walmart haul just a couple weeks ago, but we're back with even more. So like all my videos, everything will be numbered and listed in the order in which I'm sharing it here, down in the description box with the corresponding number, and then I take that whole description box, copy it, and pin it to the top of the comments so it is easy for you to find. And to make it so you can play along at home, I have listed my current measurements at the top of the description box and the comments so you can see how things fit on me and then gauge how it will fit on you so you can order online too. And I do have to stress, I ordered all of this online. I did not go in the store to find any of the things because that is the best way to get the biggest selection. I have 12 outfits to share with you. We're gonna start more dressy, literally with dresses, and then as we move through all the outfits, they will get progressively more casual. So if you like more of shorts and t-shirt kind of look, stick around, those outfits are coming. But first, let us start with this dress. Ooh, this dress. This is a satin mini ruffle dress. It looks like it came from a high-end boutique, but it is $34 and it came from Walmart. It comes in this print and an identical print, but in more of a reddish pink background, as well as a handful of solids, black, royal blue, green, and white. I think this dress would be great for upcoming Mother's Day events, wedding showers, graduations, both for the mother of the graduate or aunt or grandma or sister, and also the graduate because it comes in solid white, so I think this would be beautiful for a college or high school graduation. I like the smocking around the waist. It makes it really easy to wear. It's a pullover style. It has pockets and it's machine washable. In fact, everything I'm sharing is machine washable, but it's something I don't stress enough. And I'm showing it with this viscose blend long sleeve textured sort of cable knit cardigan. I think it is so cute to just drape over your shoulders. It's a viscose blend, so it feels super soft. It's a little heavier than your standard sort of spring summer weight knitwear. So I recommend just draping it over the shoulders, especially if you are attending something inside, like a big graduation ceremony where they always crank up the AC and everyone is frozen in there. One of the little details I absolutely love, and you'll see it in the close-up of the try-on, is the buttons are little rhinestone or crystal flower buttons all the way down. And it could be worn draped over the shoulders like I'm sharing it with you, or you could just button it all up and pair it with shorts or jeans or some kind of skirt and just wear it as a top all on its own. And it also comes in navy and a bright yellow. For outfit number 2, the centerpiece, of course, is this stunning Eyelet sleeveless dress. I love Eyelet for spring and summer. I don't think I am alone in that. We will talk about this momentarily. It also comes in white and red. So again, for graduation ceremonies, I love these options. I'm also thinking the red or even the white would be fun for Memorial Day or 4th of July. It has smocking or elastic across the back, so it's a really easy fit. It does have pockets and it is lined and it is bra friendly. It just ticks all of the boxes. I should also point out that it is 100% cotton, and I'm going to try and be better about sharing with you the material information when I can remember. Now I'm sharing it with another piece that you can throw over your shoulders. You can put your arms in the sleeves. It's this Scoop one button linen blend blazer. It has a longer oversized fit. I'm wearing mine in a size extra small. It comes in a bunch of other colors. You're seeing it in the white, black, hot pink, most, I think sort of like an off-white with thin black stripes, sand as well. I love it as more workwear or as an alternative to a summer jacket, like instead of a utility jacket or a denim jacket, if you want to dress up an outfit a little bit and add a little layer, throw on the linen jacket. The pockets in the front are functional, which is nice. So I just think it's a really versatile piece. I do want to point one thing out. So many people forget about this. There is a little vent in the back of the blazer. Please remember to cut that thread that is holding it shut. That is just for shipping purposes. It is not meant to stay in place. You're supposed to have that little notch open there. So just a friendly reminder, take a little scissors to it and it'll pull straight out. Outfit number 3 has a really fun kind of retro vintage vibe, and it's a tank style top with a nice flared skirt to it. It comes in solid black and solid white as well. The skirt itself is 100% cotton. The stretchy, more tank top material is more of a cotton blend. So the top is more of a cotton knit, so it's got give a little stretch, and then the bottom is 100% cotton. It feels a little more like poplin and it has that really pretty bell shape, more of a fit and flare silhouette, I would say. It is fully lined. It has a side slit on the left side for a little more ease of movement, and it does have a side zip as well. So you could either step into it or pull it over your head. I actually did both. I think I mentioned it has pockets, and this is also bra friendly. I just love it when you don't have to get special underwear to reach for something to wear. Again, I wanted to show it to you layered with other things, and I love this little puff sleeve, short sleeve cardigan so much. I bought it twice. So first you're seeing it with some color and pattern. I think it's fun to mix all those bright colors together. And I especially like this cardigan. Obviously it's short sleeve, so it's more appropriate for spring, summer. It's just a very little subtle extra layer if you want just a little something to cover your shoulders when you're going inside. But you can also wear it buttoned up very easily just because of the shape and structure of it as a top on its own. You don't have to wear it unbuttoned. I just wanted you to see that as an option. So you're seeing it first in the bright blue stripe, but then I also picked it up in just solid white. It's one of those pieces that you can sub it out and wear it instead of a white t-shirt, or if you want a really classic, little more kind of preppy, conservative look, wear the white over this green tank dress. This also comes, the dress, I should say, comes in white and black, and the cardigan is a viscose blend, so it is super, super soft and lightweight as well. Outfit number 4 actually features this cotton slub t-shirt that I love so much. You've heard me talk about it a lot. I realized I have now bought it 5 times. I bought it in 2 different stripe versions. You're seeing the newest stripe version right now, and then 3 solids. This shirt feels so expensive. It's just such a great basic t-shirt to have. It feels a little dressier than a basic cotton tee because of that slub texture. That also means it's a lot more lightweight and a lot more drapey, and it is under $7. It washes and dries fantastically as well. And I wanted to show it to you. It's casual, right? It's just a basic cotton t-shirt, but I paired it with more of a dressier bottom, this big full pleated skirt. It's very reminiscent again of a more retro style, late 50s, early 60s kind of look. I love that full skirted look. It's a really fun thing to wear as the temperatures warm up. And you could make that skirt more formal and change it for more of a blouse or something more appropriate for a conservative work environment, or you can make it a little more casual by just wearing it with the cotton slub tee, and I love that look. Outfit number 5, I'm really excited about because I finally found a linen blend vest that actually fits me the way I want it to. So I decided to size up 1, and with this I went with a small. I'm normally an extra small in the scoop line. It's a tailored linen blend vest, and as you can see, I'm wearing a bra, but I'm not wearing any kind of shirt underneath it. The bra doesn't show. I don't think it's an extreme amount of cleavage. My bra isn't showing on the side. If you're concerned about that, just make sure you're wearing a black bra and you're good to go. But you could easily layer a tank or a cami or even a tee underneath it. You could wear it open. You have a lot of options. I just wanted you to see it worn on its own as a shirt. And I paired it with these Scoop Linen Blend wide leg trousers, which you have seen me share, I think 2 Walmart videos ago. These trousers come in the same coordinating colors as that linen blend oversized blazer that I shared just a few minutes ago. So you could pair those 2 together. I just felt like that was a lot of oversize. So I decided to not wear them together, but I am loving all of the linen blend fabrics that I'm finding on Walmart, and there are more to come. Keep watching. Okay, we are done with the dressier items and we're moving into slightly more casual. We're gonna get really casual. We're gonna get into a swimsuit cover up at the very end. For now, I wanna focus on some new tops and maybe some shorts. So number 6 is this Henley tee. Henley is a basic wardrobe builder. I wear a ton of them in the fall and winter. I don't see them as often in a short sleeve version, and this one is even more unique because the sleeves themselves are more of a puff sleeve style with a little bit of elastic, at very loose fitting elastic towards the bottom to just hold the shape. It's 100% cotton, so it's more of a structured, crisp material. And then the body of the t-shirt or the Henley is a cotton blend, and it's a knit, so it's a little more stretchy, a little more breathable, and the buttons are actually fully functional. So you've got a mix of textures. I like the V-neck. I think it's a great twist on a classic piece. And I'm seeing a trend here. I got it in black, but it also comes in green and white. Those seem to be the predominant color choices in this new release. I love the pop of green, but I also love that they're showing black and white, just neutrals that you can wear and mix with so many things that you probably already have in your closet. Lucky number 7. So this top, at least the shape of it might look familiar because it's the second time that I purchased it. I got it in black and I loved it so much that I bought it again in the white with the really subtle little blue stripe. I love the little flutter sleeves. I like the little functional buttons. I just like that it's an option instead of just a basic tee, and I have some more to share with you, and there's nothing wrong with a basic tee. I just like that it feels like a basic tee, but it feels like I put a little more effort into the outfit. And I have paired them with some frayed hem shorts, and normally I shy away from shorts for a variety of reasons, but I really, really like these. They do come in quite a few other washes that look like denim, like a light denim wash and a medium denim wash. The shorts are 100% lyocell, so they're really soft and fluid and lightweight. And I've realized what I normally dislike about shorts is that I dislike stiff denim or stiff tailored shorts that are tighter around the leg, and it makes me feel really encased, and I feel like I'm just gonna bust out of it like a crescent roll out of a can. While these are fluid, and to me they look and feel more like I'm wearing a skirt, but I also really appreciate that they're a pull-on style. They have an elastic waist, so there's just nothing is too tight about it. Generally, I have decided what I dislike normally about wearing shorts is that everything just feels a little too tight. In fact, normally when I share shorts with you, I recommend that you size up one just to get a little more fabric, but with these, definitely do not get your true size. And speaking of sizes, these range from extra small to triple XL. Now, outfit number 8, shorts are the same. I've swapped out the shoes, and I do realize that while I am talking to you from San Antonio, Texas, where we have hit 90 degrees already, some of you are still enjoying some slightly cooler weather, or maybe you're going on vacation, and I'm specifically thinking of beach nights and lake nights where the temperature drops and you want to throw on a sweatshirt. This new release from Free Assembly, it's a half zip sweatshirt, is perfect for those cooler evenings. Now, I went with my normal size in Free Assembly, and it's a slightly more fitted look. I mean, it's not super tight, but if you want to layer it over something like a t-shirt or a tank top that you already have on, I would recommend going one size up from whatever size you normally order from Free Assembly so you can get more of that oversized fit. But I love how this sweatshirt marries the half zip pullover kind of thing with real functional pockets on the side, not the kangaroo pocket. So kangaroo pocket, for me, it adds a lot of bulk to the belly area. I don't want to look like I have a kangaroo baby in front of me. So I like that they're side pockets instead. It also comes in navy, and they have matching sweat shorts available online that I neglected to order, and now I'm regretting that. I'll probably fix that shortly. Moving on to outfit number 9, and we're going to talk about the top that I'm wearing right here. So this is 100% cotton. Look at the ruffles on this. This is another one that looks like it came straight out of a boutique. The slightly pleated ruffled neckline, the flounces at the sleeves. I love the split neck V-neck. And if you want more coverage, there is a tiny little button right here and a tiny little elastic loop, and you can button this if you want a little more coverage. I will say that this doesn't have any stretch. It's 100% cotton, not a cotton knit, but it's very roomy in the bust, so I would not recommend sizing up at all. Very bra friendly. The armholes don't dip down too far, and this also comes in bright Kelly green, red, and white. And again, I think this, the white or the red, would be great for Memorial Day or 4th of July outfits too. Now we're moving on to very casual and just go-to basic pieces. So first, let's talk about the tee. I've gotten a lot of requests recently to show less crew neck, more V-neck. I happen to agree. I do think a V-neck is a more flattering neckline for, I would say, the majority of women. So I love this one, and surprise, it's in the green, also comes in white and black. This one is 100% organic cotton, and it's a slightly thicker, I don't want to say it's heavy, I mean it's a t-shirt, but it's a substantial weight to it, different than the cotton slub one that's very thin and drapey. Just wanted to let you know the differences there. Has a nice little cutout at the sides if you want to wear it untucked. It's just a nice basic t-shirt. I love that it's a little, like I said, a little thicker material, so especially for the white, it is not going to be see-through at all. I paired it with another pair of shorts. Who am I? These are a 5-inch inseam, and that's another thing. I don't really like wearing anything shorter than 5 inches on me. Not too much longer, or it actually starts to cut off my legs. I am a little closer to a short-waisted side, I would say, and so my legs are slightly longer, but I am only 5'4", so there's only so much leg I can have. So when you start getting into longer inseams on the shorts, it makes my legs look a little more stumpy. So I think 5-inch might be the magic inseam length for me. These are a linen blend, and they're very similar to the other pair of shorts, and they're pull-on elastic waist style with the drawstring waist. They do have pockets, and they come in 3 other colors and they go up to a double XL. The last actual outfit that I have for you is the most casual option, and I feel like I need to be standing outside at somebody's soccer or baseball practice in this outfit. So first, let's talk about the tank top. I love a statement blouse, hello, right here, but it is kind of key to have some basics like the t-shirts I've been sharing, and these time and true ribbed tanks. They actually come in a set of 3 for about $23, and there's all kinds of color combinations. You can find lots of neutral combos, bright combos. Check the link. There's a ton of combinations. So 3 shirts for about $23. They're stretchy. They're not a racer back style. They're a nice scoop neck in the front and the back. So again, just normal bra friendly. I'm not wearing I'm not wearing a racer back. I'm not wearing a sports bra. I'm just wearing my normal everyday bra. And then these running shorts, I shared them with you before in this bright hot pink color, and they came back in stock. So I snatched them up in the white, and I want you to see, I have tucked in this navy tank top. I mean, it is a dark navy tank top. You cannot see through the shorts. Probably for the reason that these are very flowy, almost skirt-like pair of shorts, but they have built in almost like a bike short liner. It's all one piece, and the liner is gives a little bit of compression, so it kind of holds you in just a little bit, and it gives you an extra layer, especially with white shorts, so they are not see-through at all. So while I am wearing skin tone colored underwear, I have tucked in a navy tank top, and you cannot see it at all. I do think they are generally more flattering just because of the flowy shape. I feel more comfortable in them with that extra liner, and they do come in quite a few other colors. And then the last outfit number 12, we'll make it an even dozen. Is this really an outfit? I guess it is if you're going to the pool or the beach. The focus is this cover up. I've shared the bathing suit before, and we'll talk about it in a minute, but I really want to talk about this cover up. So it comes in actual sizes. It's not a one size fits all, and I sized up 1 because I wanted it a little bit longer. I wanted to actually be covered up. I like that it's super lightweight and breezy, obviously something you would want in a cover up. I like that it has tabs. So if you want to roll up the sleeves and have a little more of your arm exposed, the tabs will hold them up. But if you want to unroll the sleeves and have just more coverage, a little extra layer of sun protection, but still wear your sunscreen, you have that as well. The little ties on the side, if you want a little more room on the sides, untie them. If you want things a little more fitted, leave them tied. I've seen this worn where they just kind of tie the front almost in a little bow in front if you want it to come up higher on your legs. I was avoiding that, so I just left it the way that it is. It also comes in black and sort of a faded red as well. And then I'm wearing it over a bathing suit from Walmart that I have shared before, and I'm just curious if you're still here. Do you call them bathing suits or swimsuits? I seem to fall into the bathing suit category, but I see everything advertised lately as swimsuit, so I'm trying to retrain my brain to say that. Let me give you little details on the swimsuit. So like I mentioned, I'm more towards the short-waisted side of the spectrum. If you're a long torso girl, I would skip this one because I think it's gonna run too short on you. But I would say if you're short-waisted or just kind of in the middle of things, you're gonna love this. The colors on this are stunning. I love the crinkled fabric. It's just a different texture, and it's not gonna necessarily hide any lumps or bumps, but it definitely draws the eye away from it. So it's a really flattering fabric. It has padded cups, which I really like, and it has a band sewn underneath it to kind of lift everything up and give you a little more support. And I would say that the bottom coverage is very good, and it does not ride up too high on the legs either. So very modest bathing suit, but really fun with the bright color options that it comes in. So there are a dozen new outfit combinations that I have found for you on Walmart. Thank you, Walmart, for partnering with me on this video. It is always fun to work with you, and you never disappoint in what you offer on your website. Let me know what stood out for you, if you've already ordered any of these things. If you have any questions about anything that I left out in this video, please let me know in the comments below. I hope that you had fun, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.